Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing the nude and white nails. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. I just applied the nails off camera. I did the prepping off camera. All what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start filing the nails because I don't want you to bother you guys for too long. You guys already know I always use my sanding bands to take out all the excess shine from the nails. That's what I'm doing right now. Like I said before, I always tell you guys to be very careful. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. The channel is moving forward. So now I'm using my alcohol to clean out the dust from the nails. I went in with my primer and my extra bond. I always tell you guys you need this because it makes your nails last longer. So guys, in this video I'm gonna work with Awsm Polygel kit. So that's the base coat. I'm just gonna apply the base coat on all the nails, and then when I apply the base coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. And I have my 91% rubbering alcohol. So I'm applying my polygel right now on the nails. Like I said before, when your polygel is really thick, you can apply 2 to 3 fingers before you cure it in the UV lamp. For this polygel, that was what I did because the consistency is really thick. So when you do that, it makes your work easier and faster. This is one of my cat polygel collection that I got when they were doing sales for 50%. I don't think they are still doing the sales, but if you like a Macat polygel, just sometimes go on their website, and whenever they are doing sales, you can get 1 or 2 polygels from there. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. To my new subscribers, you are very welcome. To my old subscribers, welcome back. Guys, polygel is a very good product to work with if you don't like the smell of acrylic, because I don't like the smell of acrylic. With this polygel, it doesn't smell. You can do it in the comfort of your home like I'm doing. All my videos I do it in the comfort of my home, so you can give it a try, and I promise you will never regret it. So guys, after applying the polygel on each of the nails, I will cure that for 60 seconds on my UV lamp. Don't forget to cure. When you don't cure it, you cannot apply another coat. Guys, at this point I'm applying a second layer to the nails. When you apply the second layer to the nails, it really pops out the color. So I always do this on all my videos. Guys, If you're interested in any of the polygels that I'm going to be showing on my channel, just go on Amazon. I got all of my polygels on Amazon. When you get to Amazon, they put reviews, you make your choice. They have different tags, they have different colors. Just go on there and order some for yourself. I can say you can try with one, especially Market Polygel. Try with that. If you like it, then you can start doing it. That's my clear polygel. I'm going to apply that on all the nails. That polygel came with one of my orders. After applying the second layer, I cure that for 60 seconds, and I'm just going in with my polygel. Sorry, with my clear polygel. This clear polygel, I'm going to apply it on all the nails. It prevents it when it prevents the color when I'm filing it, so I don't file out all the colors. So I will advise you should always do this because it's going to help your nails. After applying the clear on all the nails, I went in with my rubbing alcohol, and now I'm going to start filing. I'm going to file and file the surface of the nails. Whenever you're filing or shaping your nails, just be careful so you don't cut the person you're doing her nails. Guys, if at this point you are still watching and that means you are enjoying this video but you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Just subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that when I post any video you will get notified. I'm still filing the nails, filing the surface of the nails. If you guys want me to do a sit down video, you want to see the lovely face behind the camera, just put that on the comment section and I will do a sit down video, okay, so that you guys can see my face. So I went in with my brush to dust out all the dust from her nails. So now I went in with my e-file to file around all the cuticle areas of the nails. So now I went in with my sandy bands. I told you before, like I said, whenever you are filing, always take your time, be careful so you don't cut through the person's nails. And now I'm gonna buff the nails. I'm just gonna buff all the nails, yeah, like so. I'll buff the nails so that we have a smooth finish. So now I'm done buffing. I'm gonna apply some top coat on all the nails because I'm gonna draw a design on the nails. A trick on drawing designs: first of all, you apply your top coat, you cure that for 60 seconds, and then you draw whatever design you want to draw. That way, if the design doesn't come out right, you can just wipe it off with your rubbing alcohol and nothing will happen to your nails. I think if you understand what I mean, I think you guys are getting my point. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just apply the top coat, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then draw my design. So yeah, that's my polished nail plate, like I always call it, and that is my white nail polish, my glitter nail polish. So I'm just gonna draw. Just watch me draw, okay? So after drawing the design, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I have a white nail polish on one side and I have a glitter polish on the other side. When doing this, you have to be very careful so you don't mess up the white side of the nails. That's what I'm doing right now. So after I'm done, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then I'll just continue doing other designs. We wanted blue design on one of those nails. Well, it didn't come out right. This took us forever. When I mean forever. So I decided to do my own design. You can see her telling me add some glitters here, add some glitter there. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. It took us a whole lot of time, but at the end we came out with a good result. So guys, I decided to introduce another glitter to the nails because the first glitter wasn't giving us what we wanted. So I introduced another glitter to the nails. That was the blue I told you guys about. To try using the blue, but it wasn't coming out right. So I just introduced another glitter to the nails. So I'm just swapping the glitter on all the ring fingers. I did it on the first hand. This is the second hand. And now I'm applying my top coat. I'm going to apply the top coat on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So this is my cuticle oil and I'm gonna apply it on all the nails because we're done curing the nails after I apply my top coat. So I'm just applying the oil on all the nails. guys, this is the finished look of these nails. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.